Dear viewers, in this video I'm gonna show you how to check your hard disk health using external software. So the software name is SD Sentinel. So at first, to download the software you can go SD Sentinel website, press the home button, then go to the download hard disk Sentinel. And from here you can download hard disk Sentinel software. So once your software is downloaded and it's installed, you can check your hard disk health. So let's go to the software. So here you can see my hard disk performance and its health. You can also click on the repeat test to recheck your hard disk health. So my hard disk performance health is good, and it will shows the result based on your hard disk health and performance. Here you can also check your hard disk temperature and other information. So I hope it will be very helpful for you. So if you like this video, please like, share, subscribe and comment.